So I'm actually kind of surprised that this has not been a priority by most foldable phone manufacturers by now. But yeah, you probably should be working on trying to give us the best camera system in these foldable cell phones, and mainly the sensor. Yes, it's awesome to see a 200 megapixel camera in a foldable cell phone. The Z Fold 7 is getting a 200 megapixel camera, but reality wise, the biggest thing about the Z Fold 7 is it's getting the same sensor as the S25, and that's the more important factor here. Is companies should stop focusing on millions of pixels where it doesn't matter unless you're printing out an image. In all honesty, what really does matter is actually the sensor in these cameras. Now, most cameras nowadays, most like really high-end, not like mirrorless, I'm talking about like phone cameras like the S25 Ultra and other ones, they have digital zoom to a certain degree. So if you zoom in like 200 times, it ends up to a point being digital zoom, which does look really good, but it's not something that's like crazy insane in all honesty when it comes to, like, again, unless you're printing out the image. It's a cool, like, I don't say party trick, but it is cool. Like, you can zoom in across the whole entire field and see an image, right? Which is awesome. But again, how many times are you actually using that? What you really need is the sensor to actually be beautiful. You need the sensor to really be top notch. Millions of pixels, while it's cool and everything, it's not that big of a deal. If you tell me, hey, listen, this Z Fold 7 has a, I don't know, 100 megapixel camera instead of a 200, but what it's going to have is it's going to have the best sensor possible in a smartphone, that would interest me a lot more than a 200 megapixel camera. But of course, this is what the Z Fold 7 is going to have. And yeah, this is something I'm definitely interested in seeing how it looks and how it turns out. Obviously, I'm going to be picking up for the channel, but you know, should the average consumer pick this up? No. Please do not. I've said this in every video now, and I'll say it in a million videos. Do not pick up the Z Fold 7. It is not an upgrade. It is not worth your money. It is not worth your hassle. Wait for the Z Fold 8 or the iPhone flip phone, which I probably wouldn't do, to be honest, but that's beside the point. It's my personal opinion. Or wait for the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold. 11 Pro Fold, or wait for the OnePlus Open 2. Those are the phones you want to wait for and save your money for. Do not buy a foldable cell phone this year. Now, if you are going to the Pixel series, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is your best option, because that's going to come out with the new Tensor chip, and that thing is going to be crazy powerful. But again, the Z Fold 7 has the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and that 8 Elite processor is a dumbed down version. It's one processing core is removed. They're doing that so that they can produce it at a max amount and a mass quantity. So they're pretty much dumbing down their own products to do that. This is not an upgrade. This is a waste of money. Please wait to Z Fold 8. If you're going to buy a Z Fold, you want a Z Fold, wait to Z Fold 8. If you want to get other phones, I would probably wait till 2026 because the OnePlus Open 2 might interest you a lot, or the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, which will be the second year on the brand new architecture of the Tensor G5 chip. Wait. And yes, please work on cameras.